This is social media versus reality. First off is Komodo Island in Indonesia. This island is known for its beautiful beach with pink sand. In reality, this beach is indeed real, and the sand is as pink as shown on social media. Next up is Shinjuku Gyoen Park in Japan. This park is famous for its yellow ginkgo trees that are placed throughout the park. In reality, this place is even more stunning than on social media, but the only downside is that it gets extremely crowded at night. Lastly, there is Copacabana Beach in Brazil. This beach is known for its lively and often crowded spots, and in reality, this is how a beach should look. I recommend anyone to travel here.